Okay. Now, what is your name? Again.
Dayap Taylor.
Nicole na lang. Wala pa pa ako, tuloy. Nicole. Your nickname is Nicole? Okay, Nicole, how old are you?
18.
18. Ay, ano ka na, major age ka na. When ka nagtibo?
January.
At wala ka nag-invite. Ano ka? Wala na tibo next year. Okay, now, Ate Nicole, asa ka nag-school? What's the name of your school?
Pasta.
Koska! Ay, what curse?
Criminology.
Curse, sumpa! Anong sumpa ang nasa iyo? Joke lang. What course? Ay, criminal! Kumanang meter? Kumana! Ayan. Anong kakaroon?
First year.
Wala mo ka OGP. Okay. Okay. Now! Are you ready? Wait a minute. Okay. Now! Are you sure you are bright?
Yes.
Because you know what me? I graduated at Cebu. And you know what school is in Cebu? TAU. Kasi din nakabola ng TAU sa Cebu. Wala? Cebu Abnormal University. Ma'am? Anong school, ma'am? Yes. At the back of the Cebu Normal University is Cebu Abnormal University. Ano, nakawalo? Nasa likod ng Cebu Normal University, naadala ang Cebu Abnormal University. Makabalo ka na? Nakabalo? Pag nag-graduate mo na ito sa Mandaluyong, doon na makasiti. Okay, now, let's go to the this is our magic. Where are you? Okay, great. Okay. Now, these are my assignments from my guidance counselor. Yes. Agarita. Over here for everybody can see. Okay. Now, you are the one to hold the microphone. Okay. Now, are you ready?
Yes.
Ikaw nung tay.
Read.
Remember.
Louder.
Remember.
Okay, what's the word?
Remember.
You need to remember it. Kapit is remember. You need to remember it. Okay. This one.
Don't forget.
Alright, so wait the word. Don't forget. Don't forget. You need to remember. How about this one?
Unforgettable.
Unforgettable. Yes, now you know the word? Unforgettable. Okay, you know that the word? Now, time for magic. Okay, but wait. I need my two hands here. I need my two hands. Because I need a hit and I'm gonna use my magic eyes. Now, focus. And, Ate Nicole, I'm